Alright, in this video, we are going to start our new company assignment, and that is of Empire Textiles. Now, Empire Textiles is a manufacturing scenario which buy the raw material from the market and then produces the finished goods. Now, they have two types of finished goods. One is shirts and one is pants. So the scenario is very simple. This company was using some manual accounting system, or maybe they were working on Excel, and now they are planning to shift on the computerized accounting system, and they have chosen Sage for that. So what we will do is we will implement the complete system, and to implement the complete system, it's not possible to transfer all the years of transaction that they have entered before in whatever system they have. What they will do is they will extract the closing trial balance of the last year and then make it an opening balance of this year. So they will provide your client, let's say, for which you are providing these services of implementation, they will provide all the balances detail of all the ledgers. We have all the ledgers here. They will also provide the closing balances of the customers, vendors, and also inventory. After that, what we will do is, since they buy the raw material from the market and then produces it and manufacture finished goods. So the most important area in the manufacturing scenario is bills of materials, which is a connection between the raw material and finished goods. That's the most important thing. So what they do is they use the raw material in a certain proportion. For example, they want to manufacture shirts. So all they want is 2-meter cloths in the shirt, 1 bukram in a single shirt, thread is 1 cone, and they need 8 buttons for a single shirt. Now this can be a recipe of a shirt. So once you create one recipe, the same recipe will follow whether you want to manufacture 3,000 shirts, 2,000 shirts, whatever is the amount. So we will work on this particular scenario on the sheet 2. After that will be day-to-day transactions. So this will be a very interesting assignment, and I will attach this project with the resources section of this video, so you can check that out. So this is the complete project. Now I want you to download this particular project, and then we will move to the next video and start with the company creation process.